Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I will be doing my first body mod and also rebuild the new engine. So I'm gonna start by taking off the old points of the old engine, because my new engine doesn't come with points, so I'm gonna reuse these. Then after I've done that, I'm gonna take the crankcase out of the carders, just because I'm curious to how it looks. Now with the ignition coils removed, I can start on removing the crankcase from the carders. To do this I just have to undo these bolts here, then use fire to take the big carder and the small carder from each other. So then I decided to sandblast the old engine parts, but it didn't go to plan. So at this point I started smelling burning plastic in the garage, and then I found this. So 4 days later, a new compressor and new engine parts, I can finally proceed to sandblast everything and rebuild the engine. basically the problem was that this bearing wasn't going on there, is because when I put it in the bench vise, I accidentally damaged this bit. So I'm gonna have to sand it down and then try it again. But I'm just letting everything cool down. And sorry for the background music. So I just sanded down the damage on the crankcase, but now I'm gonna put it in the freezer for another 2 hours and then I'll try again. So I have encountered a small problem. This carter was originally designed for 3 coils, but as my old engine, which you can see over here, was for 2 coils, it doesn't completely fit in the new carter. The problem is that a 3-coil setup doesn't use a capacitor, but a 2-coil setup does. And because, like I said, this carter is originally made for 3 coils, there is no place for the capacitor. It should be here, but as you can see, this hole is more to the left, whilst on this hole it's more to the right. So what I'll have to do is drill a small hole over there and then place the capacitor over there so it fits. So I'm not actually going to drill a hole into my carter because that would just be stupid. I'm gonna buy some new coils, but unfortunately I'm only gonna get them next week. So that's why I'm ending the engine rebuild over here, but I will complete it in the next episode. So now let's go on with the first body mod, and that is welding the metal strut. So as you can see, those welds are really bad, so we decided to grind them off and do it over. So that was the end of the video. I really do hope you enjoyed. In the next video I will be finishing off the engine rebuild. I will also be cleaning out the tank because there is some rust in it, and I will also be using some putty to make the weld seamless. Bye!